I am the Knight. I am Batman.
Hey guys, my name is Batman TDK, and today I'm going to unboxing Batman The Long Halloween Deluxe Edition. Yeah guys, I finally have the deluxe edition of Batman The Long Halloween. Alright, nice looking, cool artworks, as you can see. Yeah, and yeah, there's Batman, there's a Joker, there's a Poison Ivy here, there's Catwoman, and there's Two-Face. Yeah, that's really cool. And here it says Part 1 and Part 2 in one epic saga, includes all new documentary. Yeah, that he says on the sticker. And here's the spine, but there is no like the artwork spine. You know what I mean? Yeah, yeah. Here's the spine. And here's the back, and then you can see clearly. Yeah, okay. There's a Salman Grundy here. There's a Scarecrow, and there's a Mad Hatter. Yeah, right over here. Yeah, there's Mad Hatter. I don't know if you can see. And there's Calendar Man right over here. Yeah, Calendar Man. And let me read it for you for the a recap. Alright, it says DC Universe movie, A New Era of Adventure. Yeah. And Gotham's greatest mystery awaits. Held hostage by two warring crime families, Gotham City is rife with crime and corruption. Adding to the chaos is a mysterious holiday killer who has been targeting the underworld and leaving a trail of terror and body bags. As Batman, James Gordon, and Harvey Dent race to solve a deadly puzzle with ever-increasing stakes. A breach at Arkham Asylum draws Poison Ivy, Scarecrow, and Mad Hatter into the game. Interesting, really interesting. Based on the critically acclaimed graphic novel, this deluxe edition of Batman The Long Halloween seamlessly combines both feature-length parts into one epic saga. Really great. I love it. And there's only on one disc, of course. And this movie is rated R for violence and bloody images, of course. So I think there's more violence and there's more bloody images in this deluxe edition. So that makes sense. And the Canadian rating is 14A, so that means 14 plus. And the during time, the during time for this movie is 168 minutes. So this is more than the Death and Return of Superman. You know it. Yeah, the Death and Return of Superman is like it takes like 166 minutes, but this one it takes 168 minutes long. So that's cool. Guys, there's one thing I forgot to say is that Batman The Long Halloween Deluxe Edition has a special features. Alright, it includes a documentary called Batman The Long Halloween Evolution of Evil, plus 4 bonus cartoon. Alright, let's continue the video. Alright, let me wrap it up. We just put it right here. Okay. Okay, here's the front. Here's a spine, and here's a back. Alright, let's open up and let's see what's inside. Really great, really great. I love that artwork disc. Here it is. This is the artwork disc. There's Batman with his batarangs, so that's cool. Alright, that's really cool. I love it. So now guys, that's it for the video. And here's Batman, the Long Halloween Deluxe Edition. Like part 1 and part 2 in one epic saga. Really great, really great. So I hope you have a great day, and also thanks for watching, and please give a like and subscribe to my channel, and you can follow me on Twitter and TikTok. My username will be in the description. Alright, and so now guys, see you in the next video. Bye.